That's a brilliant insult.
Yeah.
That's fantastic.
They attempted to use Polk's grandfather's capitulation with the British during the war.
Got my farm burned down.
But yeah, it went nowhere. The Polk team were able to find plenty of evidence that Ezekiel was very loyal. He became a sheriff and everything. Yeah. Equally, of course, the Democrats tried to attack Clay because they'd done that and they'd do it again. But it did very little. I mean, Clay was so well known. There's just nothing new. Everyone knew everything they needed to know about Clay, and they either supported him or didn't. So that didn't really go anywhere. So after a slightly disappointing election, the result week came along. This is 4 days where the states would report their votes. Polk was at home, awaiting the news. The pop.
Fuck you! Fuck you!
Alright, we'll go get him.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Starting route to Costco Wholesale.